That breaking news is in Yuba County right now, where one law enforcement official was shot. Thanks for joining us at noon. I'm Lisa Gonzalez. Yuba County Sheriff's Department says that the shooting happened just before 8:30 this morning in the area of Kestrel Court in Olivehurst. And we've got an aerial view for you from Live Copter 3 as we were flying over the scene. And you can see the large law enforcement presence here. And there is a sectioned off area to this residential area and the court. You can see the armored vehicle that's also out there. We know there's new construction in this neighborhood and some single family homes. We begin with the actual scene of where this happened. And that's where we find KCRA 3's Maricela de la Cruz. She begins our team coverage right now in Yuba County with the newest details. Maricela.
Yeah, you know, the scene is still pretty active out here. You can see, in fact, there's some different agencies out here, police, deputies on scene. This investigation actually started very early this morning along Kestrel Court. We know that just before 8 o'clock, that's when the shooting was reported involving one law enforcement officer. But at this time, there are not many details. The Yuba County Sheriff's Office has not been able to say what kind of investigation they were doing out here. We know it was a search warrant, but again, no details on that investigation. We still also don't know if anybody was detained in this case. We know that there are several law enforcement agencies on scene, but the Yuba County Sheriff's Office has not been able to say what department, what agency this officer belonged to. We don't know if they were with the Yuba County Sheriff's Office or with any other of the agencies out here at this time. So again, just not many details as to what exactly is happening. But again, the scene is pretty active. We know that the Yuba County Sheriff's Office is out here. Sutter County Sheriff's deputies are also out here. So just waiting to find out what else we learn. We're going to keep hearing from neighbors, and later this afternoon there's going to be a press conference, so we'll stay up to date to bring you the latest news. For now, we are live in Yuba County. Maricela de la Cruz, KCRA 3 News.
And Maricela, even though there's a huge presence there and there's a lot of crime scene tape, they are saying there's no immediate threat to the neighbors that are in this neighborhood or the people that live in Olivehurst, correct?
Yeah, that is one thing that they were able to say, again, despite not being able to say what kind of investigation this was, bringing in different agencies out here, officers from a variety of agencies. They did say that at this time, there is no immediate public threat. Again, the area is well taped off, and it's also closed off, as you can see back there. So there are deputies in the area, and people aren't being able to go in or out unless there are some people who live here. But that's all the information that we have again as of right now.
All right, we'll continue to check back in with you. Maricela, thank you so much. We continue our team coverage now. We've got a crew at the hospital where we believe that law enforcement official was taken to be treated. KCRA 3's Danica Hill joins us live there with more. And what hospital are you at, Danica?
Yeah, so we're at the Rideout Hospital Medical Center here in Marysville. Still a lot of unknowns about that officer's condition. I'm going to step out and show you exactly what we're seeing out here. There is a Sutter County Sheriff's Officer vehicle right there at the front entrance of this hospital. Again, we've seen a lot of law enforcement out here as well. If we pan over a little way, you can see Highway Patrol is here as well. And through the time that we've been here for about the last 30 to 45 minutes. We've seen officers coming and going from a lot of different agencies. We've seen Sutter, Yuba. We've seen just quite a few different agencies, as well as fire officials out here as well. And we did drive around the perimeter of the campus at the hospital here and saw officers kind of scattered all around there. Again, we don't really know what the officer's condition is at this time. As Maricela pointed to, they're not really giving a lot of details in this situation. We are expecting to learn more around 2:30, but right now this is about what we're seeing out here. A lot of officers again coming and going. We've even seen an officer kind of come in and speaking with some of the other officers as they come, we're not sure exactly what they're telling them, but we see them come and then they drive off, and so we're assuming that maybe they're telling them to scatter around and try and, you know, add to some of the police presence out here. We're going to continue to stand out here and see if we can learn any more details about this officer's condition or what the next steps in this looks like. Here in Marysville, Danica Hill, KCRA 3 News.
And well, and Danica, even what you said is still very helpful information because it does eliminate other things. And I'm a very optimistic person, and I always think, well, I'm thankful there's not some sort of procession or something because that would mean the person died. So I mean, very thankful that they're coming and they're going. That could mean a number of things, including maybe they're just in surgery, maybe they're just recovering. So that is very helpful information, Danica, and I know we'll get more information later on this afternoon. Thank you so much.